If you want to change notification sound on POCO F7 Pro, first of all we need to go to Settings. Scroll down in the Settings and choose Sound and Vibration. And then over here we want to go to Notifications. You should be able to open this ringtone store. You can simply choose pre-installed ringtones here in order to go to Notifications in order to find the list of notification sounds that you can use on this phone. So you can tap on any of these in order to immediately use it as well and to check them out, how they sound like. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!